My Portfolio Tracker is a simple web app designed to help you manage your personal projects efficiently. Whether you're a student, a professional, or a freelancer, this tool is tailored to meet your needs. It helps you manage your personal projects by providing a centralized platform where you can organize, track, and update all your tasks and milestones. No more scattered notes or forgotten deadlines. It's a place to keep track of everything you're working on, from small tasks to large projects. You can categorize your projects, set priorities, and even add deadlines to ensure you stay on top of your work. You can easily show off your skills and accomplishments by creating a professional portfolio. This feature allows you to highlight your best work and present it in a visually appealing manner. This makes it great for job applications or freelance opportunities. Potential employers or clients can quickly see your capabilities and past achievements, giving you an edge in the competitive job market. The app is designed to be easy to use, with an intuitive interface that anyone can navigate. You don't need to be tech-savvy to get the most out of it. You don't need any technical skills to get started. The setup process is straightforward, and there are plenty of resources available to help you along the way. Just sign up for a free account and start adding your projects. The registration process is quick and simple, so you can begin organizing your work in no time. It's all about showcasing your best work. You can customize your portfolio to reflect your personal style and make a lasting impression on anyone who views it, and making it easy for others to see what you can do. With My Portfolio Tracker, you can confidently share your projects and achievements with the world. The homepage is your project dashboard. This is where you get an overview of everything you're working on. It's the central hub for all your projects, providing a snapshot of your current workload and priorities. It shows all your projects in a clean grid. This grid layout is designed to give you a clear and concise view of each project, making it easy to navigate through your tasks. Each project displays its title, a short description, and a progress bar. This allows you to quickly assess the status and details of each project without having to click through multiple screens. You can sort your projects by date or progress. Sorting by date helps you prioritize upcoming deadlines, while sorting by progress lets you focus on projects that need more attention. This helps you find what you need quickly. Efficiently locating your projects saves time and reduces the stress of managing multiple tasks. You can also filter your projects by tags. Tags are customizable and can be used to categorize projects by type, priority, or any other criteria that suits your workflow. This makes it easy to find projects related to specific skills or interests. Whether you're looking for projects that require a particular expertise, or those that align with your personal interests, tags make the search process straightforward. The layout is designed for quick scanning. A well-organized interface means you can quickly glance at your dashboard and get the information you need without any hassle. You can easily see the status of all your projects. This overview helps you keep track of what's on schedule, what's behind, and what needs immediate attention. This helps you stay organized and on track. By having a clear view of your projects and their statuses, you can manage your time more effectively and ensure that nothing falls through the cracks. Click the Add Project button to start a new project. You'll be asked to provide some basic information. This includes the project title, a short description, and the start date. You can also add tags to your project. Tags help you categorize your work, and they make it easier to find later. Once you've added the basic information, you can start tracking your progress. Simply update the progress bar as you complete tasks. You can edit your projects at any time. Just click the Edit button on the project card. You can update the project title, description, tags, and progress. To delete a project, click the Delete button. You'll be asked to confirm the deletion. This makes sure you don't accidentally delete a project. Section 5. Tracking your progress. Each project has a progress bar. This bar visually represents how much you've completed. You can update the progress manually, or you can set milestones and mark them as you go. The progress bar helps you stay motivated. It's satisfying to see the bar move as you get closer to completing your project. Section 6. Sharing your portfolio. You can easily share your portfolio with others. Simply click the Export button. You can download your portfolio as a PDF. The PDF is formatted for easy printing and sharing. It includes all your projects. Each project will have its... My Portfolio Tracker uses a modern tech stack. This includes a combination of the latest frameworks and libraries that ensure the application is both efficient and scalable. By leveraging these advanced technologies, we can provide a seamless user experience. The front end is built with React. React is a powerful JavaScript library for building user interfaces. It allows developers to create large web applications that can update and render efficiently in response to data changes. This makes the user interface dynamic and highly interactive. This makes the app fast and responsive. Users can enjoy a smooth and fluid experience with quick load times and minimal lag. The responsiveness of the app is crucial for maintaining user engagement and satisfaction. The backend uses Node.js and Express.js. Node.js is a runtime environment that allows JavaScript to be used for server-side scripting, while Express.js is a web application framework for Node.js. Together, they provide a robust and efficient server-side solution. These technologies provide a robust and scalable API. The API is the backbone of the application, handling requests and delivering data between the front end and the database. Scalability ensures that the app can handle increasing loads as more users join. The database is powered by PostgreSQL. PostgreSQL is a powerful, open-source object relational database system. It is known for its reliability, feature robustness, and performance. This ensures that all your data is managed efficiently. This ensures your data is stored securely. Security is a top priority, and PostgreSQL offers advanced security features to protect your data from unauthorized access and breaches, and it can be easily accessed when needed. The user-friendly interface allows for easy data retrieval and management, ensuring that you can access your information quickly and efficiently whenever you need it. The entire application is deployed on Netlify. Netlify is a powerful platform for deploying modern web projects. It offers a range of features that simplify the deployment process and ensure that your application is always up to date. This platform offers simple deployment and automatic scaling. With Netlify, you can deploy your application with just a few clicks, and it will automatically scale to handle traffic spikes, ensuring consistent performance, so the app is always available. Continuous monitoring and automatic updates ensure that the application remains reliable and accessible at all times, providing users with a dependable tool for managing their portfolios. Section 8. Looking ahead. Thank you for taking the time to learn about my portfolio tracker. I hope you find it useful for showcasing your work. I'm constantly working on new features and improvements. I want to make it even better for managing and sharing your projects. Building this application has been a great learning experience. I've deepened my understanding